Thank you for choosing the SodaStream Genesis home soda maker. In this video, we'll show you how to make your own sparkling drinks at home just the way you like them. Place the soda maker on a sturdy surface. Pull the bottle towards you, unscrew, and remove the carbonating bottle. Remove the seal from the carbonator, and then unscrew the cap. Now, remove the soda maker's back cover. Press the button on the rear and pull the soda maker head upwards. Insert the carbonator into the soda maker's head and screw it tightly into the holder. Do not use any tools. Now, replace the soda maker head on the soda maker and press it into place. You are now ready to start making your favorite sparkling drinks at home. Fill the carbonating bottle with water up to the fill line. Best results are achieved when the water is cold. Screw the bottle into place. Now, press the carbonating button in short presses until you hear a loud buzz, releasing the button between presses. 3 loud buzzes will produce a standard fizz. Additional presses will produce a stronger fizz. That's it! You're ready to add the flavor. Pull the carbonating bottle forward and unscrew to remove it from the soda maker. Place your favorite SodaStream cap flavor on the top of the bottle and press firmly. Or, pour a capful of your favorite soda mix flavor while holding the carbonating bottle at a slight angle to avoid an overflow. Then, shake gently with a rolling motion. Enjoy over 100 flavors of fresh, better-for-you sparkling drinks made at home by you. SodaStream, your bubbles, your way.